Welcome to today's video. Let's make a refreshing cucumber salad. Start with 2 fresh cucumbers, slice them thinly and place them in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and let them sit for 10 minutes to draw out excess water. Next, prepare the dressing. Combine 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Drain the cucumbers and pat them dry with a paper towel. Pour the dressing over the cucumbers and toss gently to coat. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and chopped green onions for garnish. Serve chilled and enjoy your simple, delicious cucumber salad.